KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant Ndlela Mkhwanazi told the Madlanga Commission on Thursday that Member of Parliament Fadil Adams had gained unauthorized access to sensitive crime intelligence and handled it recklessly, raising serious national security concerns. Mkhwanazi said the intelligence in question was intended exclusively for vetted members of the Joint Standing Committee on Intelligence, the parliamentary body responsible for overseeing intelligence services. Adams, he noted, is not a member of this committee. He said Adams does not serve on that committee, yet he reportedly accessed and recklessly handled this intelligence, including sharing it publicly. The police commissioner warned that Adams' actions had a direct impact on the work of the KZN Provincial Political Task Team (PKTT), potentially jeopardizing ongoing investigations. Mkhwanazi detailed that Adams had launched 3 criminal cases in Cape Town in 2024, followed by similar cases in Gauteng. In addition, Adams sent an email to police official Senzo Mchunu complaining about the service delivery. However, Mkhwanazi argued that these complaints lacked any substantive criminal basis and primarily focused on internal SAPS vetting procedures, matters Adams was not authorized to oversee due to the classified nature of the information. The commissioner revealed that the intelligence Adams accessed included unverified claims that SAPS was manipulating vetting processes and that funds from a classified secret account were allegedly being misused to purchase vehicles for the PKTT. And said Adams could not provide any evidence to substantiate these claims and had no official access to the detailed financial records of the secret funds. Mkhwanazi highlighted concerns over political overreach and interference. Mkhwanazi further told the commission that investigators had identified a broader pattern of political involvement in sensitive law enforcement operations. He indicated that additional evidence will be presented pointing to potential breaches of national security protocols involving other political figures. The revelations come amid growing scrutiny over the relationship between political actors and intelligence agencies, raising questions about the security of classified information in parliamentary oversight processes. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.